Everyone thinks they need to be an extrovert to succeed on YouTube, but what if I told you some of the biggest channels don't even show their face? In fact, I studied 100 successful introverted creators and I discovered that there's 9 types of videos that is generating millions of views without even the need to be on camera. So you know what's crazy? MrBeast started a gaming channel. His most famous channel that you see now, that started as a gaming channel and never showed his face. But what's even more interesting is that there are thousands of creators building 6-figure businesses on YouTube without stepping in front of a camera at all. And today I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it. Now, before I break down all 9 types of videos, let me show you something that's going to shock you. Did you know the biggest YouTuber is actually an introvert? I mentioned MrBeast earlier, and you may see him in Beast games now and the millions and millions of views, but he is a huge introvert. That's why he started with a faceless channel. It actually took him 4 years to even be in front of the camera. And if you see those videos, yeah. Now that we know that the biggest YouTuber is an introvert, let's break down these 9 different types of content that are perfect for introverts. And I promise you that at least one of them are going to be perfect for you. First one is storytelling. Most people think storytelling means being on camera, but channels like Magnates Media that has 1.47 subscribers, and they do it without showing a single face. So let me show you exactly how they do that. Let's look at one of their videos. I was watching the one about WeWorks. It was called like the $47 billion cult, which is wild. But if we break it all the way down, they have pure voiceovers. Like that's all they do is voiceover work. They have compelling visuals and the storytelling structure is crazy. Now let's look at another example, Nonstop Sports. Now they use existing clips, interviews, everything that's already out there, they make the video into that.
Hamlin returns to his feet, adjusts his helmet, then collapses on the spot.
Plus they use an added narrative layer and they have that emotional connection in there. The key here, it's all about the voice and the story. You don't need to be on camera to be compelling. Type number 2 is the podcast style. You know what's crazy about podcasting? It literally feels like you're on their couch. It is a pure conversation, no performance needed. Now, we're going to talk about some really good podcasts. A really good example is My First Million. And that's actually a virtual setup. That's not even in person. It's really great conversation, really good interviews. Second one is probably, I'm going to say, Secret to Success podcast. Shout out to the crew over there. The Caleb Johnson Show. He keeps getting bigger and bigger guests. Fire, right? And then I would say Sweat Equity podcast and the Nathan Barry Show. Really good podcasts. And if you notice, they're just talking. It's like no fancy setups, no performances. It's just real conversations and stories. Third one, compilation videos. This right here is a gold mine for introverts, and let me show you why. So 2 channels that come in mind off top is Evan Carmichael and Motiversity. When we're talking about Evan Carmichael, he literally finds all the celebrities, influencers, people who are leaders, find all their interviews, and they put them together, right? And creates a video for it. So he'll talk about Nipsey Hussle. He'll talk about Denzel Washington. He'll talk about Trump. It doesn't matter. He'll find all the interviews in order to have like the top lessons of success based off Denzel Washington. It's really, really dope how his format is. And then when we talk about Motiversity, they get all the best motivational speeches and puts it into one video. One that I used to binge off of a lot was the $1 Million Homes. There was a channel, I forgot what the channel was, but there was a channel that would find all the best mansions in, say, San Diego, best mansions in Miami, and they would put it in like an hour-long video, and it was just so motivating. The secret of this one is that you're curating the content that already exists. So you're like the DJ, you're not even the performer. Fourth one is product reviews. Now this one's interesting because you never have to be on camera, yet you are building a massive authority. I was watching a video about the best gaming chairs and I never saw a person. I just saw the product, I heard what they said, it was ranked 1 to 10, and that's all I cared about. And to break down these types of videos, they have good voiceovers, they have great product shots, and they have an honest opinion. So before we go into the next type, let me stop you and talk to you about the sponsor of this video, which is Opus Clip. Now, this is going to take the videos that you're about to create and get them ready for social media. It's going to create reels for you. It's going to create carousels for you. It's going to create other short clips for YouTube for you, all in a matter of just like one click. Okay, I know one of my videos, I put that in there and it created about like 15 other clips ready, and I don't have to go to Fiverr. I don't have to get an editor or anything like that. Super fire. The link is in the description. All right, let's get back to these different types of videos. Fifth one, and I know you've seen these videos, it's the food and travel videos. We've seen them. Beautiful destinations, the restaurant atmospheres, the food close-ups. We want to be there. We want to try the food. It makes us hungry. But as creators, this is something we could do easily. Because the key here is that it's about the destination and the food. It has nothing to do with us. We are just the narrators, even at most. Some of them don't even have voiceovers. They just show the actual place or the food because the content is actually the star. Now, the sixth one, I actually binged for a while and I didn't think I was going to. They're quiz videos and they are so underrated, but I saw a channel that has over 2 million subscribers and millions of views for quizzes. And I'm talking all types of quizzes, music quizzes, celebrity quizzes, movie quotes, historical facts, brand logos, whatever you could put into a quiz, it could create views. People will literally binge on these videos just to test themselves to prove that they're right. It's crazy. The seventh one is do-it-yourself videos, tutorials, things like that, right? This one's special because you could teach whatever you want and you don't even have to show your face. I know you've seen one of these. Whether it was a cooking video, a makeup, home improvement, and even some tech tutorials. And all you need is a clear shot of what you're doing, a good voiceover, and a step-by-step breakdown. Number 8 is gaming content. Like I told you earlier, MrBeast started with the gaming content. Now this just screams introvert. At the home, in their room, playing a game and allowing the game to be the extrovert. They're just playing it. You see their camera is on, but the game is actually the extrovert. And there's all different types of gaming content. You got gameplay walkthroughs, you got the strategies, you got reviews, you got compilations, all of that. The game is the star and you are the narrator. And the last one is book summaries. And this is going to be perfect for my bookworms. I think these are so dope because they give kind of like a whiteboard explainer video and it gives you the key takeaways and it has visual summaries. I don't know. I just really like the whiteboard thing too. I don't know why. Now, quick bonus, because I know I've been talking a lot about voiceovers and probably I should give you a tool that will allow you to do it. If you don't want to say you feel like you mess up a lot, I would say ElevebLabs. ElevebLabs is an AI tool that will allow you to clone your voice or pick like over hundreds of AI voices that you can put into your videos. Super simple. But here's what makes this even more powerful. These 9 types, they're not just trends, like they're proven formats that has been working for years. And with AI tools like ElevebLabs, it's so much easier to create them. Now, I already know what you're thinking. Nikki, isn't this going to get oversaturated? What if someone else is already doing it? Here's the great thing about you. You have a unique perspective. Even if it's the same topic, the way that you deliver, the way that you show is going to be completely different than what's out there already. You may not think that, but we do not talk the same. You could actually talk about this same video and it's going to be different, right? So no, it's not oversaturated. It's oversaturated for some boring stuff. It's oversaturated for the average stuff. You're not average. You are actually uniquely made. So I don't want you to worry about that at all. Remember, being an introvert isn't a limitation. It's a superpower. You bring depth and quality, and that is super rare in this content game. Now, while everybody gets in front of the camera and try to speak to it, even myself, the people who are starting to use these formats are now going to have an unfair advantage. That's why you see the numbers you do. But let me know which type connects with you out of the 9. Drop that in the comments. And then, of course, don't forget to see this next video.